Hi guys, welcome to Olive Learning. Today we are going to study about chapter number 1 ratio. In that chapter, exercise number 1 of A from your ICI book. Question number 1. The inverse ratio of 11 is to 15 is. So we already studied inverse ratio. What is inverse ratio? If A is to B is a given ratio, then the inverse ratio of A is to B is B is to A. So listen carefully. Inverse ratio of A is to B is equal to B is to A. Therefore, inverse ratio of 11 is to 15 is 15 is to 11. That is, we have to write in the reverse order. Now we shall study the second question. Read the question carefully. The ratio of two quantities is 3 is to 4. If the antecedent is 15, then we are asked to find out the consequent. So I already explained to you in the previous video. Antecedent is the first term of the ratio. Consequent is the second term of the ratio. That is, from the given ratio, the antecedent is 3, the consequent is 4. But it is given the antecedent is 15. Listen carefully. Given ratio is 3 is to 4. But they have converted the antecedent into 15. So when you multiply 3 by 15, when you multiply 3 by 5, you get 15. 3 5s are 15. So I already explained to you, if each term of the ratio is multiplied or divided by a non-zero constant, the value does not change. That is, the value of the ratio does not change. So if you multiply 3 by 5, then you must multiply 4 also by 5. Then we get the ratio 3 5s are 15 is to 4 5s are 20. Now here you check, the antecedent is 15, therefore the consequent is 20. That is, consequent is equal to 20. Now question number 3, the ratio of the quantities 5 is to 7. If the consequent of its inverse ratio is 5, then the antecedent is, so solution. So first we should find out the inverse ratio of this ratio. We know inverse ratio of A is to B is B is to A. Therefore, inverse ratio of 5 is to 7 is 7 is to 5. Now we check, in this ratio, the antecedent is 7, the consequent is 5. So we are asked to find out the antecedent. Now we shall see question number 4. The ratio compounded of 2 is to 3, 9 is to 4, 5 is to 6 and 8 is to 10 is. In the previous video, I already explained to you, the compounded ratio is the product of the given ratios. So in order to find out the compounded ratio, we can find out the product of these ratios. So solution. Therefore, compounded ratio is equal to product of these ratios. Therefore, I am going to write in the division form, that is 2 is to 3 can be written as 2 by 3 into 9 is to 4 can be written as 9 by 4 into 5 is to 6 can be written as 5 by 6 into 8 is to 10 can be written as 8 by 10. Now we can simplify. So 3 table, so 3 3s are 9. So 2 table, 2 2s are 4. So again 2 table 1, so 2 4s are 8. So 3 table, so 3 2s are 6, 3 1 is 1. So again 2 table 1, so that is 2. 5 1 times, that is 2. So 2 2, that is 1 1. That is equal to 1 by 1, that is 1 is to 1. The compounded ratio of these ratios is 1 is to 1. Now we can see question number 5. The duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 is. So we know that the duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. That is duplicate ratio of A is to B is equal to A square is to B square. Therefore, duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 is equal to 3 square is to 4 square. That is 3 into 3 is to 4 into 4. That is 9 is to 16. Now, question number 6. The subduplicate ratio of 25 is to 36 is. So, we already studied the subduplicate ratio of A is to B is root of A is to root of B. That is subduplicate ratio of A is to B is root A is to root B. Therefore, subduplicate ratio of 25 is to 36 is equal to root 25 is to root 36. That is root of 25, that is equal to 5 is to, that you can calculate or find out the root value using a calculator, is to root 36 is 6, that is 5 is to 6. Question number 7. The triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 is. Triplicate ratio of A is to B is equal to A cube is to B cube. Therefore, we are asked to find out a triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3. So now, triplicate ratio A is to B is A cube is to B cube. Therefore, triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 is 2 cube is to 3 cube. That is 2 into 2 into 2 is to 3 into 3 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Question number 8. The subtriplicate ratio of 8 is to 27 is. I already explained to you the subtriplicate ratio of A is to B is cube root of A is to cube root of B. Listen carefully. That is subtriplicate ratio of A is to B is cube root of A is to cube root of B. Therefore, Subtriplicate ratio of 8 is to 27 is, see, cube root of 8 is to cube root of 27, that is cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, is to cube root of 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. For triplets we take one value, that is 2 is to. For triplets we take 1 3, that is the answer is 2 is to 3. This cube root value also you can find out with the help of your calculator. Now question number 9. The ratio compounded of 4 is to 9 and duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 is. Listen carefully. We are asked to find out the compounded ratio between the ratios 4 is to 9 and duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. You must understand the question carefully. So, I already explained to you the compounded ratio is the product of two or more ratios. So, we can find out the compounded ratio of these ratios. So, compounded ratio is equal to, we are asked to find out the compound ratio of 4 is to 9 and duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. So compound, that is 4 is to 9 into the second one, duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. That is 4 is to 9 can be written as 4 by 9 into duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 is 3 square is to 4 square. That is 3 square by 4 square. This one you understood, I think. That is duplicate ratio of A is to B can be written as A square is to B square. Therefore, A is to B in the sense 3 is to 4. Therefore, the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 can be written as 3 square by 4 square. Now, we can cancel this, that is 4 by 9 into 3 square can be written as 3 into 3 by 4 square can be written as 4 into 4. Now, you can cancel, that is 4, 4. So, 3's are 9, 3, 1. That is 1 by 4. That is the ratio is 1 is to 4. Question number 10. The ratio compounded of 4 is to 9. The duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. The triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 and 9 is to 7 is. See, compounded ratio in the sense the product of two or more ratios. We are asked to find out the compound ratio of all these ratios. So, compounded ratio is equal to 4 is to 9, that is 4 is to 9 can be written as 4 by 9 into the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. Duplicate ratio in the sense, if A is to B is the given ratio, then the duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. Therefore, the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 is 3 square by 4 square into the triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3. So, triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 is 2 cube by 3 cube. And that is into 9 is to 7. 9 is to 7 can be written as 9 by 7. Now you can find out the values. That is 9, 9 get cancelled. So again I am writing this, that is 4 by 1, that is 1, 1 into 3 square can be written as 3 into 3. 4 square can be written as 4 into 4. 2 cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 3 cube can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into, that is 1 by 7. Now we can cancel again. So 4 4. So 3 3 3 3. So 2 2 times 2 2 1. So now we can cancel these terms. That is 2 by 3 into 7, that is equal to 2 by 21. I hope you all understood these all problems. Thank you.